Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out another tutorial. So today's tutorial is a wraparound Velcro ponytail tutorial. So yeah, let's jump right in. So I started off with clean, freshly washed hair. I did just wash out my quick weave. So I went ahead and added some hydration by adding the Pretty Strands leave-in conditioner. Then I added the L'Oreal heat protectant. I've been using it for years. Then I went ahead and grabbed my Yellowbird blow dryer to dry my hair. I grabbed a wide tooth comb and a few of these jumbo alligator clips in cute little colors. These are available on my website if you're looking for some good alligator clips that are gentle on your hair but definitely do hold. So I used the Yellowbird blow dryer on the highest setting, and I went ahead and blew out my hair. When I blow dry my hair, I typically start at the ends and then I go down to the roots. So this is the end result of the blow dry. This is what the ponytail looks like. This is available on my website. This is the GLEEmade 100% virgin human hair ponytail in Italian curly. It does come with a Velcro wraparound, and it also has a comb in it. And it also has that wraparound piece that gives you the band around the ponytail. So it's really just a ready to go ponytail. So I added a little bit of BioSilk Silkening hair serum just to get my hair a little sleek. I went ahead and parted my hair in half. I do want to have a low pony. Well, it's not low. It's just a ponytail in the back of my head. I didn't want to do a ponytail at the top of my head. So I went ahead and started flat ironing my hair with my new Babyless flat iron. I did spend a good little coin on this flat iron, but it is a good flat iron. I do find that it's harder for me to use because it is so tiny and thin and lightweight. I find that I'm like moving too fast and like doing too much with this, so I just have to get used to how lightweight it is. But it does a good job flat ironing your hair. So I went ahead and flat ironed the back half of my hair. Then I grabbed the flat iron again just to get the edges really smooth. Then I separated the front of my hair into two triangular shaped sections. I knew I didn't want to flat iron all of my hair. I was just trying to, just avoid flat iron my whole entire head because my hair is thick and it takes a long time, you guys. And just for a ponytail, I was like, how can I cheat and not flat iron my whole head for this ponytail? So this is what I came up with. If you're lazy like me and don't like doing a lot of work but like your hair coming out nice, you might want to try this. Or you could just flat iron your whole head and not be lazy. But I'm lazy. So I went ahead and added my Got to Be freeze spray, and I pulled all the hair in the back and the hair in that center section into an elastic band. So once that front section was completely flat ironed and I was pretty happy with it, I went ahead and added some of the Got to Be freeze spray, and I made sure that I had it on the inside and on the outside. I added a bunch of that and then just smoothed my hair down with a rat tail comb and then with a very coarse brush. You know, them ones that like hurt your brain, but they pull that hair up. That's the one I used. That one right there. Y'all know that one. When your mom used to pull that one out, you knew it was time to start crying. So yeah, I grabbed that brush and brushed all the hair back. I didn't remove that initial rubber band. I just added another rubber band over top of it. So yeah, you guys, I just hit the back with the freeze spray again, and yeah, I just braided my hair down. Now, if your hair isn't as thick as mine, you may not have to go through all of these steps, but my hair is pretty thick and it's natural, so it's a lot, y'all. So now that is where I want it to be, I went ahead and grabbed my 24-hour edge tamer by Ebin. Still one of my top favorite edge controls. Love that one. It doesn't leave any white residue as long as you don't let it get all the way to the bottom of the jar. Once it gets all the way to the bottom of the jar, it gets super dried out and then it starts to leave a white residue. But as long as you have a full container, you're good to go. Other edge controls that I really like is the Edge Booster, Style Factor Edge Booster. Also like the Stasha Harris, but I like that one for braids. So yeah, style your baby hairs, get them to where you want. I love styling my baby hairs, y'all. It's like an obsession. It's a passion of mine. So I go all out with the baby hairs when it's my own natural hair, when it's a wig, when it's a lace front, when it's a ponytail, like crochets, whatever. I just go all the way out. And then to set it in place, I just add a little more freeze spray. Be careful not to spray your eye, because girl. All right, y'all, so now we're on to the fun part, installing the ponytail. So you're just going to use that little comb that comes in the ponytail. It's like a clip. And then you're going to take a piece of the hair, not from the side that has the Velcro band, but from the other side. So this is just basically to secure the hair down so you don't have to use a bobby pin at the base of the ponytail. So you wrap that piece around first. Then you grab the piece with the Velcro and you start pulling that around the ponytail. Now that's going to secure the ponytail in place and it's going to create the band around the ponytail. And you guys, literally, this is like a 2-minute install. It takes absolutely no time at all. So yeah, you guys, definitely check out this GLEEmade Velcro wraparound ponytail in Italian curly. It is on my site. I'll leave a link down below in the description box so you can head over to the site and check out this ponytail. If you're local in the DMV area, I do deliver same day. So I'll have my driver, you know, bring it to your doorstep if you're local. If you're not local, I do ship, and I ship internationally, so no worries there. I'll also leave a coupon code down below where you can save you some money if you purchase. So as usual, when styling curly hair, I always use my water bottle, my water spray bottle, and hydrate the hair. And then I also use my Carol's Daughter in Black Vanilla to condition the hair and get it popping. I think I also added my Organics OGX oil mist. It's a lightweight oil, but it just gives the hair some shine, and you can add it to your hair as well, and it smells amazing. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished result. I'm absolutely loving this ponytail. Super cute, super fast, easy style. And once you lay your ponytail, you know, your own ponytail down, you really don't have to do a lot to maintain this. Like, I wore this ponytail probably for like a week straight. I just made sure when I took it off at night, I just tied my own hair down, or I just used one of my GLEEmade bonnets. I love the GLEEmade bonnets because it does hold your baby hairs in place. So when you take it off, your baby hairs are still laid as well. So definitely check out this site, GLEEmade.com. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting the channel, for subscribing and sharing the videos. Make sure you keep it up. I love you guys all 2021. So yeah, hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, share it with a ponytail lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.